We're going to be taking this Onewheel Plus XR and installing new bumpers and float plates. So we're going to flip our Onewheel over. We've got 6 screws down here on the bottom, 2 up here under the pad. There is a screw down in there, but we've scraped over the plastic enough that we're going to have to clear some of this plastic out of the way. And also these get full of dirt if you ride on single track. So you're going to want to clean these out so you can get those screws out. At this point, you would stop and put on your float plate, but if you're just replacing your bumpers, you can put in these 4 screws here that they come with in the package. That is how to replace the rear bumper. Alright, up here under the front pad is the wire that connects the sensors. So be careful lifting this up, just rotate it up here. And there you can see the wire right there. Alright, then we just slip this off the front here. It's got these 2 little tabs, that's what holds it on. So with our new one here, we can just slip it right on. You've got those 2 tabs that will slip onto the rails. And then just line up our screw holes and tighten this down. Alright, from here you have the pad on the front and you've got your front bumper screwed in underneath the pad. So from here you can go ahead and stick your fender back on because both the bumpers are now attached from the top. If you're installing float plates, you won't need these 4 right here that go right in here because we're putting float plates on. That will be a longer screw. Alright, now we'll be installing these float plates from Craft and Ride. They do come with hardware, so you're all set there. These will just fit right over the bumpers on front and back. Front will have the handle, of course, like on the Onewheel. Same here in the back. We're all installed with the float plates. We've got new bumpers. Let's go take it for a ride. But look at this angle before you even hit your rail guards here.